Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download card templates for landing pages linked to apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in card.co and press enter. Once the card website loads, navigate to the top right corner. Click on the Templates tab to explore available designs. Browse through the various templates designed for landing pages. Find a template that suits your needs for your app. Click on the template thumbnail to view more details. On the Template Details page, locate the Use Template button. Click the Use Template button to start customizing. You will be prompted to create a card account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information to set up your account. After successfully signing in, the template will open in the editor. You can now customize the template to fit your app's branding. To edit text, simply click on the text box you wish to modify. Enter your unique app details, including name and description. To replace images, click on the image element and select Change Image. Upload your own images from your device or select from stock options. Adjust the layout and design elements as needed to improve aesthetics. Once satisfied with your changes, click on the Publish button in the top right corner. You will be guided to choose a URL for your landing page. Select a memorable web address that reflects your app. Review your settings, then confirm everything is correct. Finally, click on Publish to make your landing page live. Now, you have successfully downloaded and customized a card template for your app's landing page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.